You have dreamed of it for years. The moment you finally buy your own car in America. That feeling of freedom of starting your new chapter of being independent. The first test drive, the new car smell, the excitement of finally saying, "This is mine." But before you rush to sign those papers, take a deep breath. Because what looks like freedom could quietly become a financial trap. For many people, buying a car is not about transportation. It's about emotion, it's about belonging. You see your coworkers getting new rides, your friends upgrading to bigger models, and suddenly you feel behind. That pressure is real. We all want to look successful, but here's the truth that social media never shows. Most of those shiny new cars come with heavy monthly payments, high insurance costs, and rising interest rates. The average car loan in the US is now more than $40,000 with interest near 9% in 2025. So ask yourself, am I buying comfort or am I buying approval? SUVs and luxury sedans are now marketed like they are more affordable than ever. Dealers show discounts, 0% financing, and big trade in bonuses, but automakers know exactly what they're doing. They make higher profits on SUVs so they can afford to make them look cheap. But the true cost hides in your fuel bills, insurance, and repairs. That lower price tag is just bait. And when you finally walk into the showroom, the real game begins. You might enter thinking about a $25,000 car and walk out with one costing $38,000 because it had a sunroof and premium audio. That's the upsell effect. You think you are choosing luxury, but actually you are financing interest on extras you never needed. The smartest buyers know their limits before they walk in. If you're finding this helpful, pause for a second and hit the like button. It tells YouTube this is valuable content and it helps more first-time buyers avoid mistakes just like you. Now let's go deeper into how to buy smart and keep your financial freedom intact. Now let's talk about the solution, not the problem. The real secret to buying your first car wisely is understanding affordability. Financial experts agree your car payment should never exceed 15% of your monthly income, and total car expenses, including fuel, insurance, and maintenance, should stay below 20%. For example, if you earn $4,000 per month, your car payment should stay under $600 and your total expenses around $800. Anything beyond that begins to eat into your savings. Before you even test drive a car, use an online car affordability calculator. It only takes a minute and it shows what truly fits your budget. No guessing, no emotional decisions. If the car you want is above that range, wait, save more, or look for certified used options. Patience now means peace later. Remember, the goal isn't to impress others, it's to build stability. Your car doesn't define your success, your mindset does. A paid-off simple car feels far better than an expensive one that owns you. Confidence, discipline, and financial freedom are the real luxuries. And here's something powerful. When you make smart financial choices, you inspire others to do the same. You show that wisdom beats hype every single time. If this video helped you see car buying differently, hit the like button, share it with a friend who's planning to buy their first car, and subscribe for more real talk on money and smart living. Because remember, smart choices drive success, and your first car should move your life forward, not your debt.